I'm on a roll. So that's what's hitting mine probably. Yep, boom, boom, boom. I'm on a roll. Oh, here's one. On the board, fighting like a smallie. Largemouth. Can't be tight. Woo! Pale. I don't know why it's so pale. Pale. Now that I think we're coming up to your spot. There's a spinnerbait. There's one of them brown critters. Oh. Oh. Feels like I got a whole sand up there. Got a brown one. I could have nailed that if I needed to. I just figured it's light one. I need to extend my mirror. That was fun. Falls out in that one. You know how the biffle bug is? Yep. That's what this reminds me of. Oh, a good one. The mini tube. Look at that hook. Broken? No, it's just how small it is. Oh. I had fish swimming with that thing. Catch a better fish on a spinnerbait. Power fish. They're all white as can be. He's like, look at that. I couldn't catch up with him.
Nice largemouth.
Yep.
15 inches. Yeah, he's getting smaller. 14 and a half. Where'd you catch that on?
Hula grub.
Definitely after crawls, you know?
They what?
They're definitely on bottom baits that are crawls.
Yep. One was too.
It's like
He was running this way is what it was. Smallmouth, that's why. He was running up to the lake. And this fatter, we used to get mad because they would, like 2 smallmouth bass and you need a new Yamamoto.
Nowadays, it's just expected.
So there, that's a peanut butter and jelly. So that'll catch them.
Yeah. I'm like, Kenny, stop moving your damn line.
There, that hit it at the boat.
Oh, is that a largemouth?
Yeah, it hit the boat.
The best of the day. Best largemouth of the day.
FS minnow. Minnow.
It looks so small.
It looks so small. It's a smallmouth, that's why. And I mean, you saw it, he was pulling that rod.
Yeah.
What do you think of that, Nick?
Pretty good.
Scope shit. Look at that. It's. I just cast.
Is that same scope minnow that we've been using, sonar minnow?
This is a Yamamoto, one of his new scope minnow.
Oh.